This is the X260 quadcopter. I just got this in. This is truly the definition of low-cost entry-level quadcopter. $25. It comes with this battery, which is a 730 milliamp hour battery with a JST connector. Fits nicely. Alright, we're ready to go. The controller will make a noise until you bind it. The bind procedure is very straightforward. Now, this is what the controller looks like. These buttons change the most. So if you want 40% rates, 60, 80, 100. This turns the lights on and off, and this button does nothing. Alright, but I first we'll do the 40% just so you can see the differentiation in the rates. I love the rates on this thing. So this is the 40%. This is the slowest rates. Alright, now I'll go ahead and change it to 60%. So we got more angle. Change it to 80%. Let's get some more angle on this thing. 80% rates is the most stable. You can see you got a wide bang angle there. I love the 80. It flies so smooth. It's such a smooth flyer. Alright, now I'm going to put it into 100. This thing flies in 100. Look it go. And that is awesome. You got a nice wide bang angle on the 100% mode. Alright, so now I'm gonna do some flips. Pretty much, actually, it's the same as some other copters. You hold this button down. It's gonna beep, wait for input. Again, beep, forward flip. Beep, back flip. Same kind of deal. There's a lot of other popular name brand quadcopters. This is a fun flyer. The propellers are not hard. They flex a lot, so they're not, don't think they're gonna break. Haven't had any prop breaking yet. It's got lights on and off. You can turn the lights on and off, like just like that, which is pretty cool. This is the non-camera version. There is a version with a camera, but I don't have it. Just got this one in. I'm just gonna run down the battery in the high rates so you guys can see what this is like. And this little copter is not powerful enough to lift something heavy like a Mobius camera, but it'll definitely lift one of the smaller new micro FPV cameras they've got out. I could definitely see myself modifying this one for FPV. Reported range on this one is supposed to be 300 meters at least. And XK usually doesn't lie about things like that. I'm just taking it out. I can't take it out far because honestly seeing past 300 meters is kind of difficult. Look at it just come back. Look at that, look at that. That is nice. Oh, alright, so we've got our lights blinking. I had this in high rates, 100% the entire time practically, so that's the kind of flight time you can get, and it's pretty good. Especially for cranking it 100% like that. I always like to fly not fast. I think this is an excellent sport model. Probably wouldn't use it for, you know, any serious camera work, obviously. It's still in the toy grade category, but $25? Just gonna fly it till it's empty. I'll lower the rates a little bit. Turn off the lights, save some battery. Oh, I think, oh, maybe not. I'm just in the low rates now. We'll run down the clock. I'm just in the low rates right now. Lowest rate you can fly in. Whoa! Alright, now I think I'm going down. Yeah. Oh, that's it. Yep. There it is. The X260. Awesome quad. Cheap price. I do have one final tip. When I got this, I got the one with the European plug, which is not a big deal. But I used my Holy Stone charger, or pretty much any multi-charger for other types of quadcopters, and it had a JST adapter in it, so I just plugged the battery right into this and got it running right away. So I would definitely just pick up one of these. It's always good to have if you're getting into the toy quads like this, to have a multi-charger, then you can go all day long. And this one in particular has the JST or micro lossy to JST adapter. So that's it. That's the X260. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you have any questions, let me know.